to boost it to get it going. There's a little insight of what it sounds like now, because we're going to be changing the pipes out for some Vance and Hines short shots. Going with a fuel pack as well. So obviously you can't run the exhaust without the fuel pack. And I think there's many more customisation things going to be done to this bike if Steve gets his way and we can get everything for it. Anyway, so here's what it sounds like now. Stock pipes. Not very Harley. What the Vance and Hines sounds like. Watch the previous video with the standard bike.